Hello everyone! Welcome to the Phonics Reading YouTube channel. I'm Ria. Today, we are going to learn about adjectives. Let's begin. This is a ball. Now look again. This is a red ball. The word red tells us more about the ball. Red is an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Adjectives give color and size to our world. They make our sentences much more interesting. Adjectives help us to describe things more clearly. Let's see some more examples. A big house. A small cat. A happy girl. A tall tree. A big house. Big is an adjective. A small cat. Small is an adjective. It says more about the cat. A happy girl. Happy is an adjective. A tall tree. Tall is an adjective. It says more about the tree. Adjectives help us describe things more clearly. Let us see more examples. A hot coffee. Hot is an adjective. Let us see another example. A yellow banana. Yellow is the adjective. A fast car. Fast is the adjective. It says more about the car. A slow turtle. Slow is the adjective. It says more about the turtle. Now it is your turn. Can you identify the adjectives?
Look at the picture. Say the adjective aloud. A big elephant. Yes, you are right.
Say the adjective. Great job. Green is the adjective. A green apple.
Look at the picture. Say the adjective. The answer is happy. Happy is the adjective. A happy baby. Look at
the picture. Say the adjective. The answer is clean. Good work. A clean room. Look at the picture. Say the adjective. The answer is dirty. Well done. A dirty shoe. Now it's your turn. I'm going to show you a few more pictures. Can you find the adjectives by yourself? Write your answers in your notebook, and let's see how many you get right. Great job! Let's remember what we learned today. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Thank you for learning with me. See you in our next video. Bye!